Narendra Modi has crossed the line, using the Indian Army to promote himself on train tickets. Yes, you heard that right. Indian Railways printed tickets with Modi's face under Operation Sindoor, a military mission. Not even the armed forces are spared from his relentless self-promotion. The question is Narendra Modi governing India or running a personal branding campaign? From train tickets printed with his face, highlighting Operation Sindoor, to donning army commando attire for frame-worthy shots, Modi's brazen publicity stunts know no bounds. After plastering his image on ration packaging, fertilizer sacks, and children's school bags, and even on COVID vaccination certificates, his fixation on self-promotion is relentless. The nation is utterly fed up and triggered by these blatant publicity tactics and this non-stop spectacle of self-glorification. Is there no limit to this egotism? India deserves a leader, not a one-man publicity circus.